In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting it from your phone. The first thing I'm going to do is open my Google Photos. Now, let's say I want to delete this particular picture. But I don't want to delete it from my phone. What you do is tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, then tap on Photo Settings, and then you tap on Backup. Turn off the backup. The next thing you do is go to Google. You can use any of your browsers, but I want to use the normal Google browser. So you type in, once you open the browser, you type in photos.google.com. Then you have to log in your account if you're not already logged in. And then next thing you see the pictures you have, the photos you have on your device. So you look for the particular one you want to delete. Phone. So if I want to delete this one, tap on the trash can. It's mostly trash. So I've done that. Now if I go back, I've deleted it from Google Photos, but not the one on my phone. Let's find out. Now if I go back, let's see if that particular image is still there. You can see it is still there. It's as simple as that. So even if you turn back on, let's go back. Tap on your icon, tap on Photo Settings, Backup, turn it back on. The picture will still be there.